Welcome, traders. This is the Monday, the 14th of June. We're going to be going over a weekly watch list. Sorry we couldn't dish out the video last night before the trading week starts. I was in Maui on a little business trip, life of an entrepreneur, guys. But yeah, we'll dive into it. I got my charts up. See, you can see that, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I got the Euro live short, Euro Swiss franc. We got a breakout here right now. So I got an entry. I don't know what exact price I got in, but the move was continuing down, and then today pulled back. I'm anticipating a pullback a little bit. It's probably going to play around here, but I'm anticipating for it to continue movement down. This is a daily chart, by the way. So we shall see. It was consolidating here for quite a bit, all the way since March. It had a nice strong bull move. Then it just went sideways for the 3 months, man. So I'm anticipating the bearish movement going forward. GBB, JBY. If you were in our Mighty Networks group, I posted a screenshot of this trade I'm in. Let me go zoom into a 4-hour. So, oh, there we go.
Was that Euro Swiss or Euro Pound? My bad.
Euro Swiss. Euro Swiss. That was the first one. Second one is pound yen. We have a breakout here, and then we had some continued strength, this strong bull run right here. Made a new high, 156.05. So what did I get in? Well, I don't know. I think I got in maybe, where do you go on a pullback here, but I set my stop because I set my stop over here. Let me see. And today I just posted a screenshot. Let me go zoom in. Like my stop was literally 154.29 or something. And price, like literally, I was like Reid said, well, I was 1 pip away from getting stopped out. And mentally I was looking at that when price was over here. Earlier today, this morning, I was like considering, I should just cut it already. But, that's me breaking my rules. That's me making discretionary decisions. That's not part of the system. So good thing I didn't move it. I didn't touch it, because what happened right afterwards, it bounced, popped up, price popped up. It's in profit. So I will just continue to let it run. Let's look at the ES today. So we had rollover Friday. So everyone had to close their positions, roll it over. And so I got entered. Where's my journal? So the position 4228. 4228. At the new contract. So I entered 4228. You could see that there's some sort of support at 4224. Price made a new high, 4254. I added a second position at 42. Where did it go? 52. 4252. So I am long there. That would be the MES, and then the M2K. I was from the last watch list. I still have 2 positions here. We had a rollover. So I'm just still holding this trade. Price popped up, got a small pullback here. This is a 4-hour chart. So that's something. Oh, something to look at that I've noticed is the Bitcoin. I'm not in this trade. I just I monitor it. Look at this move. Like, it looks like the bulls are starting to take back some strength here. So what happened, it was sideways since we had some crazy move back in May, and it stayed in this range between 30,000 and 41,000. So we actually finally got a break. We closed above, oh wait, we closed at 39,000 and we opened at 40,000 today. So, you know, it looks like there's going to be a bull run or cooking up soon, maybe now, but that's something to take note of, Bitcoiners, crypto guys. We'll see. We'll see. I am still not, I don't have enough conviction to turn into, like, if I was to enter a trade long yet, because there's still this previous resistance, 41,927. So until it closes above there, then we shall see. Gold. I like to watch gold. We made new highs, but price has been coming down. So I would be knocked out of the trade if I was long. Yeah. From peak of 1916 to a low of 1845. Yeah, that would have been knocked out of that trade. But that's all I got. Take it away.
Very nice, Glenn. Very nice. Cool. So I guess it's my turn. I will take over here. Can you see my shirts?
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. So I'm not in any live position at the moment. But the markets are looking very nice. I have odd dollar for short. This is not a real trade here. This is what I like to call a phantom trade, just using a tool to go short. The reason why I didn't enter this market live is because you see how it's correcting here. It's just whipsawing back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, up and down, bulls, bears, bull, bears. The market doesn't know what it wants to do right now. So this is why I put a phantom trade. Had this phantom trade worked out for this position, I would have began to look for a live position, because what I like to do is take a message from the market. I've had a couple of losses in my trading not journey, my trading week of the last 2 weeks. I've had some losses, so I want to just be careful and take a message from the market with my system. If I'm taking that many losses, take a step back, reevaluate, reanalyze, make sure my mindset's right in that. I just don't want to jump in any of these trades. So when I do these phantom trades, it gives me a message that, okay, the market is going to be moving in a certain direction. And as you see, it had a nice bear move, broke out of this ascending wedge here, or ascending channel, after a bull run, it's a sign for me to enter the market short in this particular circumstance. But again, it's too corrective for me, so I stayed out. I'm still more short biased than I am long biased, but again, I just want some development to happen. Moving on, euro yen. Euro yen is nice. I had 2 losses on this last week, or last couple weeks in June 7. Oh yeah, just last week had 2 losses, 7 and 9. So I took 2 losses. The market is still overall bullish, so I might be looking for a bull entry here, but I'm still not quite convinced yet. So moving on to euro dollar. Euro dollar is a cleaner pair to go short for myself. So I like to just put this tool in TradingView. I use this tool called short position. That's what I used to do my phantom trades. So I'm just going to wait. This one, I'll more likely to go live with this one, just because it's a lot cleaner setup. It's not as corrective as odd dollar. I'm going to jump back to odd dollar real quick, just to show the differences. You see, it's just been correcting since April, 19 April. It's just been in this corrective zone here. If we go back to euro dollar, we see that it's at this range here, has 2 touches. I'll draw this in so it's a little more visible. This right here and this right here. These are just lines in the sand. It doesn't have to completely resist this line, but it's an area. So it could go beyond the area. It did it again here with a high test reversal, and it's coming back down. I'm taking note that it is in a bullish trend overall on the daily here. but it is breaking down. And once it breaks down my EMAs and these certain levels, it's already done so on the hour and the 4 hour. So this is why I'm more convinced that this could go short later on in the week, maybe even tonight. But the volume is just not there for me to enter the market bear wise. At last, finally, another phantom trade with Kiwi dollar, Kiwi or New Zealand US dollar. Same concept as Australian dollar, United States dollar. It's just really corrective, really whipsaw action going on. But I like this double bear move. And then we had it earlier in June. So the bears are kind of knocking at the bulls' doors right now. So I am just waiting it out, playing the patient game, and not placing a trade is essentially making a decision. It is making a trade, and that decision is no trade. So just keep that in mind that you're always making a decision in the market. So euro dollar is probably my most good to go green. I change it to green because that's the one I'm looking at. And for fun factor, take a look at crypto, Bitcoin. When crypto had this long bear run, I call it a run because overall Bitcoin is in this bull trend. Just creating a little pullback here. I entered the market 40,000 at 40,000. I only put like $100 down, so it's nothing to like brag home about. But it is about break even on this trade alone. So, but would I recommend getting into the market right now? No, is if for like technical analysis wise, I would wait for a position, a better market decision for the market to make its choice. Right now, it's just in a corrective area, like Glenn said. He needs more conviction that it's going to go back long. For all we know, it could hit this level around 40, 45 and drop back down. So I need to see a much stronger bullish momentum. Other than that, that's all I really. Oh, I want to kind of like talk about Ethereum real quick. I don't look at Ethereum, but fun story is my friend put down $17,000 on Ethereum, and he's now down $12,000
Wait, what?
because
Repeat that.
yeah. So
17
he put
going
that
in,
yeah, and now he's down
down.
to 12. So essentially, he lost 5K right now, right? I think the worst part about it is some random dude on the internet was like, Ethereum's going up. You should definitely buy it. Dude doesn't even know him, and he bought. So my heart
Wow.
goes out to him. My heart goes out to him. I mean, overall, again, if we're investors, long term hold, yeah, I think it's gonna go up. But there's a time to enter the market, right? There's a time to enter the market. I can speak for myself that I entered too early on Bitcoin, maybe, but we're hoping it break even. If it goes long, then it goes long. But overall, bullish again on crypto. I think it'll take a couple more years for crypto. What do you think, Glenn? Like, I think it'll take a couple more years for crypto to be able to trade. Like, I mean, there's people that do it daily right now, but it's not as easily accessible as say the forex market or the futures market. If we wanted to trade like daily in a Hawaii, I know that we can't, right? I mean, they're working on it through congressional stuff, but
As you're talking about, like just strictly trading that as like
yeah,
a,
like day
you know,
trading, like how
like a
we
bear,
would
yeah.
do like forex. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
I
What
think
do you know any?
I think we are able to trade it semi-actively today.
Okay, cool.
Using certified brokers, meaning, for example, the state of Hawaii, they launched a pilot program last year, where Hawaii residents can own cryptocurrency. And so they partnered with 12 agencies or companies, brokers, as you would say, and that allows Hawaii residents to participate in the exchange, the crypto exchange. So yes, that is able to, we are able to trade it. I don't
Awesome.
personally do it, so I can't speak on my experience on how it's going, But as far as like using crypto as a financing system, overall, like using it in comparison with the dollar, that we're not ready for that yet.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Very, very fascinating. So for a little bit of history to end this quick webinar, is we weren't able to trade Bitcoin so freely and easily. It was a little difficult. You kind of had to use VPNs if you wanted to in Hawaii, because essentially if you were trading with a broker, the broker needed to have enough money to back you up. And crypto is huge, and no broker has that amount to back up the trader, according to Hawaii's. Yeah.
Especially the volatility. It's like the wild, wild west right now. And so
People losing money left and right. Right.
yeah, you can be rich tonight and then go bust tomorrow. So. But at this, when you bring that up, the brokers, they do have to back all their clients' trades. Months ago, right? Just to add to that, what it reminded me of is what Robinhood, the owner, the CEO, is telling a story about how they halted trading months ago, where no one could trade on their platform. Why is that? Because the SEC knocked on their door Monday morning, 3 a.m., and told them, hey, because of your traders' positions, we're handing you a $3 billion bill that you got to cover by today. 3 billion. Like, who has that? This is coming from the CEO of Robinhood. I was on Clubhouse one night. Him and Elon came. Elon put him on the spot. Dude, spill the beans. He told him, spill the beans. And so the guy, I don't know, I forgot what his name, Seth, I think. I don't know. But he was telling the story how he got the phone call from the SEC saying that since they're a broker, they are responsible for backing their traders' positions. And since that was when all the GameStop stuff was going on, the stonks and Wall Street bets. So because of the volatility, they had to back their trades, and they got hit with the $3 billion bill from the SEC or the commission, whoever enforces it. But at the end of the day, they settled for $750 million so that Robinhood traders can resume trading. And so that's kind of what the backstory was. And it's wild, wild west, man. So find a good broker who can execute your trades and keep your capital safe.
Right. Yeah. Speaking of brokerage, I think that's gonna be our next live topic, isn't it, Ben?
Yeah. Yep. So traders, look out for that tomorrow, 7 p.m.
Tomorrow, the 15th, we'll be talking about brokers and tools that any trader coming into the market can use for their benefit. And if you don't know what to do or how to do it, we'll guide you through it, help you through it, get some legit brokers, people that won't scam and use your money without getting back to you. And then also the tools that we use, and you've seen Glenn and I use a couple. So we'll go over more detail with that tomorrow, the 15th at 7 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time.
Whoa, awesome. Yep. That'll wrap it up for tonight's weekly watch list, guys. Stay tuned and trade safe. Happy trading.
All right.